How to create t-shirt on Canva. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can create a very nice t-shirt on Canva and sell it if you want to, or simply have it for yourself. So firstly, come on to canva.com, and then after that I want you to simply click on the search bar, and then firstly, I want you guys to just simply come on to canva.com and sign up. So once you sign up, you will see this dashboard in front of you. So scrolling down, you can see all your recent designs, and then also over here, you have many different options to design many different stuff. Now, what I want you to do is that I want you to type in over here blank. And then once you type in blank, wait for a few seconds, and then you will see all these blank canvases come up. So make sure to pick any canvas that you like. So I'm gonna go with a pure white canvas if I can find one. So yeah, like this one looks nice, so I'm gonna go with that canvas, and once I click on it, that is gonna take me over on this page. So over on this page, you guys can see that we have this blank canvas. So now what I want you guys to do is that on the left side, click on elements, and then from over here, type in t-shirt over here. So once you type in t-shirt over here, you will see all these t-shirts come up. So you guys can choose which color of t-shirt you would like, which type of t-shirt you would like, and then also if you would like it to be worn by people or just completely blank. So I'm gonna go with this particular t-shirt because this is very clear, and this is also something that we can work on. So I'm gonna drag and drop this over here, and once I drag and drop this over here, now I want you to just simply resize them a bit, and then from over here I want you to start designing. So simply zoom in a bit on the t-shirt, and then once you zoom in, and now you have to figure out what you want to do. So what you guys can do is you guys can add shapes to it. You guys can add almost every single thing that you can think of to it. So I'm gonna click on the bottom where it says logos. Now right now I don't see any logos over here because I have not uploaded any logos, but if you have any brand logos, simply drag and drop them over here. I'm gonna click on elements once again, and I'm gonna find the logo of Nike, for example. So let's say Nike made a t-shirt. What would it look like? So I'm gonna simply drag and drop this shoe over here. I will resize this to be very small, and then I'm gonna place this over here. So like over here is where my shoe goes now. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to find shapes. So I'm gonna simply type in over here shapes. So once I type in shapes over here, you guys can see that we have all these shapes come up. So what you guys can do is you guys can pick any one of these shapes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick this lightning bolt shape. So now I'm gonna place it over here. So like right now this is already looking really good. So once I'm done with this, now I'm gonna pick another thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply cross this, and then I'm gonna simply scroll down, and I'm gonna see if I can put anything else that looks really cool over here. So you always have to take your time with the designing, because if you rush and if you skip anything, well then of course you are gonna be missing out on some good money. So I'm gonna just simply look around. So this looks really nice. So if I were to drag and drop this over here, then I can change the color of this as well. So I will simply place this over here like this, and I will perhaps move the lightning bolt over here so that it is not blocking anything. So once I've put this over here, now I can put in something over here as well. So I can move the shoe a bit over here, I can resize this a bit, and I can have it like this. So I'm gonna type in Nike, and once I type in Nike over here once again, then I'm gonna find the Nike logo, because of course at the end you have to be creative. If you are not creative with this, well then you guys are not gonna be able to make good money with this. So I'm gonna type in Nike logo. Let's see if it comes up. So like we found the logo of Adidas. Let's just go with this one. So now I'm gonna just simply shorten in length, and then I'm gonna place it over here. So you guys can do lots of different things with Canva. You guys can reset the size as well. You guys can change the color of these images as well. So like it is very easy, quick to do on spot, and you guys can also edit the image to make it look way more realistic. So if I were to click on edit image while having selected the image that I want to edit, then I can of course change it to anything I want. So I can even change this t-shirt to different colors. I can change the bottom of the t-shirt to any color I'd like. For example, I am changing it to dark blue, and I can even change the main color of the t-shirt to be any color I like. So I can have it like this, I can have it like that. I can just basically have it any color I'd like. So if I were to have it in red, and then if I were to change the color of the white to something else, that would look cool as well. Or perhaps maybe make it a bit different colors. Like this color looks nice too, but like pure white is really something that I am enjoying. But still, I'm gonna change it to something more shallow. So like this looks nice. I think I'm gonna go with this one, and then I'm gonna change the color of this lightning bolt to something else, because then I think it's gonna look really cool. So I'm also gonna place an Instagram logo over here, just because I think that it is gonna encourage people to start posting about this particular shirt. So once I place this over here, yeah, that looks nice too. So similarly, you guys can, just basically add anything. If you guys had any personal brand logos, you guys could just simply drag and drop it over here. So now if I were to save this particular shirt, I can click on the top right corner where it says share, and then click on download. And then from over here, I want you to download this as a PNG. So just give it a few seconds while it loads up. So I'm just gonna wait over here while it loads up. I'm gonna click on back, gonna click on download once again. So now choosing PNG, and then after that choose transparent background, and then simply download this onto your computer. So just give it a few seconds while the video is getting processed, and then this download button is gonna allow you to download this particular shirt. So there we go. And now let's give it a few moments, and then we'll have this shirt on our computer. And then of course you guys can just simply send it out to your manufacturer, and then he can print this particular shirt for you on your demand to basically any size, any color, or any other design. And you guys can of course play around with Canva, and you guys can definitely find good stuff over here. So now if we were to come back to Canva, you guys can of course from over here pick many different things. So what you guys can do is you guys can also pick a different types of blank canvases. You guys can work on multiple t-shirts at once. So we have our t-shirt ready. So now if I were to open up this t-shirt file, you guys will be able to see our t-shirt. So there we go. That looks really nice, and that is very high quality. Plus it is also presented very nicely. So you guys can see that you guys can do wonders with this particular tool if you guys were to actually use it properly. Similarly, you guys can click on more from over here, and you guys will be able to see even more stuff come up. So definitely be creative with this, and you guys are not gonna regret it. So let's take a look at their pricing, because Canva is of course not free. There are 3 different plans of Canva. The first one is the free one, then you have the pro one, and then you have the enterprise one. Let's take a look at the pricing. So if you guys want to design really cool t-shirts, you will definitely need to have the pro version. But if you guys want to design average looking shirts, well, then the free version is gonna do you enough as well. But the thing is, Canva Pro is $54 per year. If you were to build this monthly, it is going to be $7 per month. So not a lot of money, but the benefit that you get with this is definitely amazing. So definitely spend that money, and you guys can see some of the biggest brands use Canva. And all in all, it's a great tool that can help you design really cool t-shirts. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, and till next time, goodbye.